Introduction. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for ways to make money online? With the advancement of technology and the internet, making money online has become easier than ever before. In this video, we will cover different methods and strategies you can use to start earning money online, even if you have no previous experience. Section 1. Freelancing. What is freelancing? Popular freelancing platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. How to create a freelancer profile. Tips for winning freelance projects. Section 2. Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing work? Choosing a niche and product to promote. Affiliate marketing networks: Amazon Associates, ClickBank. Strategies for success in affiliate marketing. Section 3. Selling products online. Types of products to sell online. How to set up an online store. Platforms for selling products online: Shopify, Etsy. Tips for successful online sales. Section 4. Online surveys and rewards programs. What are online surveys and rewards programs? Legitimate sites for taking online surveys and participating in rewards programs. Tips for maximizing earnings through online surveys and rewards programs. Section 5. Blogging and content creation. What is blogging? Choosing a niche and creating content. Monetizing your blog: ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing. Tips for growing and monetizing a successful blog. Conclusion. Making money online requires effort and dedication, but with the right strategies and mindset, anyone can earn a significant income online. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling products online, participating in rewards programs, or blogging, there are endless opportunities to make money online. Start today and take the first step towards financial freedom.